Mrs. Johnston here, and it is that word work time of our lesson. In the read aloud you heard, and everywhere they roamed, these Native Americans found ways to borrow or use from the earth all that they needed to live. Say the word roamed with me. Roamed. Roamed means to wander. Some Native Americans tribes roamed around to look for food. How did the Native American tribes roam around? How did they move from place to place? They roamed by walking. If I am walking to the library, am I roaming? No, because I am going to a specific place. If I am roaming in the woods, what does it mean? It means that you are walking or hiking around, but not going to a specific place. If I am walking in the woods, does that mean I am roaming? No, because you are following a path. You're not just wandering. Have you ever roamed anywhere? Try to use the word roamed when you tell about it. Remember, roamed means to wander. I once roamed could be the start of your sentence. Did you say, I once roamed my backyard? You weren't really going anywhere, you just were walking around. I once roamed the zoo. I wandered the zoo, wasn't really going somewhere in particular. What's the word we've been talking about? Roamed. Did you remember that? Roamed means to wander. I am going to say some sentences using the word roamed. If what I say is an example of roamed, you're going to give me thumbs up. If it's not an example of roam, you're going to give me thumbs down. Kelsey walked quickly to class. Thumbs down. That is not an example of roamed. The buffalo wandered across the plains. Thumbs up. That is an example of roamed. Jack jumped over the candlestick. Thumbs down. That is not an example of roamed. Isabella ran to give her mother a hug. Still thumbs down. That is not an example of roamed. Johnny Appleseed traveled all around the country, planting animals and trees. Thumbs up. That was an example of roamed. Thomas walked slowly around the playground, thinking about the story he had just heard. That is an example of roamed. We worked and learned more about roamed and what it means. See if you can roam around today somewhere and then use the word roamed in a sentence.